Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. How are you? I want to introduce myself. My name is Annie Rohaini. I am 35 years old. I am married. I have three children. Number one, girl 9 years old. Number two, boy 5 years old. And number three, boy 2 years old. My height is 155 cm. My weight is 64 kg. I am Muslim. I am not afraid of dog. I have experience in Alampo for years 2004 until 2008. My job is take care of children 7 years old and take care of baby 8 months. Cleaning, cooking, washing, ironing, and marketing. My second experience in Taiwan 1 year 2010. My job is take care of elderly 70 years old. Hot dishes and one girl. Cleaning, cooking, washing, ironing, and marketing. And I have experience in Singapore 1 year 2024 until 2025. My job is packer, elderly 90 years old, her disease. Cooking, washing, ironing, and marketing. I want go to Hong Kong to get more money for me and my children. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. See you in Hong Kong. Bye-bye.